The next topic in this chapter is numbers on abacus. That means how to show a number on abacus and how to write a number from the abacus. So abacus is a device we can show any number on the abacus. So we can represent any number by using abacus. That means abacus contains sticks or rods, and we can represent the digit in the number with the help of beads. So by using beads and sticks in the abacus, we can represent any number. So generally in abacus there will be sticks or rods. Here the rods represents places. So for each place there will be one rod or one stick. So here the rods or sticks represents places. So here there are 4 rods. So this is first rod, second and third and fourth. So each stick represents one place. Here the first rod, the first stick represents one's place, and the second stick represents tens place, and the third stick represents hundreds place, and fourth stick represents thousands place. So in this way, so each stick in the abacus represent places, and the digit in a number can be represented by using beads. So let us take an example, that is, so represent this number 3458. Represent this number on the abacus. How to represent this number on the abacus? So now write the places for the digits in the given number. So first we have to write places for the digits in the given number. So 3, 4, 5, 8. So 8 is present in ones place, and 5 is present in tens place, 4 is present in hundreds place, 3 is present in thousands place. So here in ones place the digit is 8. So here the first stick represents ones place. So we have to draw 8 beads on the first stick. So draw 8 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, so 5 is present in tens place. So we have to draw 5 beads on tens place stick. Here the second stick is tens place stick. We have to draw 5 beads on tens place stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same way, 4 is present in hundreds place. That's why we have to draw 4 beads on hundreds place stick. Here the third stick represents hundreds place, and we have to draw 4 beads on hundreds place stick. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next 3 is present in thousands place, and we have to draw 3 beads on thousands place stick. Here the fourth stick represents thousands place, and we have to draw 3 beads on it. 1, 2, 3. So this is the way of representing a number on the abacus. So this is the way of drawing beads on abacus. In the similar way, we can write a number from the abacus. So in the similar way, we can write the numbers from the abacus. So take an example like this. So here an abacus is given like this. So this is an abacus, and it has 4 sticks. It has 4 sticks, and first stick is in ones place, second stick is in tens place, third stick represents hundreds place, fourth stick represents thousands place. and on ones place stick there are 2 beads, and tens place stick has 5 beads, and hundreds place stick contains 1 bead, and thousands place stick contains 3 beads. So this is the abacus given. Now we have to write the number from this abacus. So look at the board, how to write the number from this abacus. So thousands place stick contains 3 beads. That means in thousands place there is a digit 3. And hundreds place stick contains 1 bead. That means 1 is present in hundreds place. And thousands place stick contains 5 beads. That means 5 is present in tens place. And ones place stick contains 2 beads. That means 2 is present in ones place. So now the number is 3152. So this is the way of writing number from the given abacus, and this is the way how to draw the number on the abacus. So this is the representation of numbers on abacus. Now we will go to exercise part. In exercise 1.2, so the first problem is, so there I have taken 2 problems. So first problem is write the numbers from the given abacus and also write the number names for the number. So first we have to write the number from the given abacus, and also we have to write number name for that number. So look at the board, the first problem. So in this abacus there are 4 sticks. That first stick is ones place, and second stick represents tens place, third stick represents hundreds place, fourth stick represents thousands place, and ones place stick contains 3 beads. That means in ones place the digit will be 3, and in tens place stick contains only 1 bead. That means the digit 1 is present in tens place. So write 1 in tens place. And the hundreds place stick contains 2 beads. So that means 2 is present in hundreds place. So write 2 in hundreds place. And thousands place stick contains 4 beads. That means 4 is present in thousands place. So write 4 in thousands place. So the number from the abacus is 4213, and write it in the statement, that is in words, that is number name. So if you write the number name, it will becomes 4 is present in thousands place, so it becomes 4000, and 2 is present in hundreds place, so it becomes 200, and 1 is present in tens place, it becomes and 3 also present in ones place, and it becomes 13. So this is the number name for the given number. So in a similar way, look at the second problem. So the first stick, that means the ones place stick contains 4 beads. That means 4 is present in ones place. And tens place stick contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So 7 is present in tens place. And hundreds place stick does not contain any beads. That means 0 beads. So 0 is present in hundreds place. So write 0 in hundreds place. And thousands place stick contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 beads. That means 8 is present in thousands place. So the number is 8074. The number name is 8000 because 8 is present in thousands place. So 8000, and there is no hundred place. So 74. So 74. So now look at another model problem. Here we have to draw the beads on the sticks according to the given number. So we have to draw the beads on the abacus according to the given number. Here the given number is 5400. 5400. And write the places for each digit. And 0 is present in tens place, and 0 is present in 0 is present in ones place, and 0 is present in tens place, and this 4 is present in hundreds place, and 5 is present in thousands place. So here 0 is present in ones place. That means no beads should be drawn on the ones place stick. That means ones place stick does not contain any beads. And also 0 is present in tens place. That means tens place stick also does not contain any beads. So 0. And 4 is present in hundreds place. So that means we have to draw 4 beads on hundreds place stick. And 5 is present in thousands place. That means we have to draw 5 beads on thousands place stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the process of drawing beads on the abacus according to the given number. Now let us see another problem. Here the given number is 2960. Write the places for each digit. Here 0 is present in ones place, 6 is present in tens place, 9 is present in hundreds place, 2 is present in thousands place. Now draw the beads according to the given number. Here 0 is present in ones place. That means ones place stick does not contain any beads. So that's why we should not draw any beads on ones place, because in ones place the digit is 0. And 6 is present in tens place. That means we have to draw 6 beads on tens place stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 9 is present in hundreds place. That's why we have to draw 9 beads on hundreds place stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 2 is present in thousands place. That means we have to draw 2 beads on thousands place stick. This is thousands place stick. We have to draw 2 beads, 1, 2. So this is the way of drawing beads for the given number on the abacus. So this exercise 1.2 is completed, and remaining problems we have to practice at home. Thank you.